ndashaka mwumva amagambo mwitonze aracyari da premier for real.
Men and women love differently.
Atabagabo n'abagore bakunda bitandukanye.
Many people do not know this.
Abantu benshi ntago bajya bisobanukirwa cyangwa babimenye.
But men earn women's love differently.
Usibye ko abagabo babona urukundo rw'abagore mu buryo butandukanye.
I shall explain.
Hano ndagusobanurira uko bimeze.
A man can love a broke woman who has absolutely nothing.
Umugabo ashobora kuba yakunda umugore w'umukene udafite ikintu na kimwe atunze.
He can love her even if she has no money.
Yewe akamukunda yewe nta n'amafaranga afite.
No car.
Nta modoka.
No house.
Nta n'inzu atunze.
No job.
Nta n'akazi yewe.
Nothing.
Nta kintu na kimwe afite.
He loves her for who she is.
Umugabo agakunda uyu mugore amukundiye uwo ari we.
Not for what she has.
Akamukunda adakurikiye ibyo afite.
He respects and accepts her value as a person.
Akamwubaha akanemera uko ari we wese nk'umuntu akamwakira uko ari.
The man may be the owner of a successful business.
Ushobora gusanga umugabo ari umuntu w'umukire unafite ahagarariye business runaka ifatika.
While the woman is a waitress in a restaurant.
Ugasanga umugore atarata cyangwa bakundana n'umuntu w'umuseriveri ukora mu karesitora gaciriritse.
He will still love her.
Ariko umugabo agakomeza akamukunda.
But women are different.
Usibye ko sasa abagore hano no batandukanira n'abagabo.
Women are hypergamous.
Abagore n'abantu bareba ibyo utunze kurusha urukundo.
This means if a man doesn't have money,
iyo nta kuvuga ngiki umugabo abaye nta mafaranga afite,
a woman will never have a relationship with him.
Umugore ntabwo yajya guta umwanya bakundana.
If a man is broke,
umugabo yari umukene,
a woman will ignore him.
Umugore cyo zakora nta kintu kumuca amazi.
Most women are in a relationship for money.
Abagore benshi umubare nyamwinshi w'abagore bari mu rukundo kubw'amafaranga.
Not for love.
Ntago ari urukundo rutuma baguma mu rukundo.
This means when there's no money,
icyo bishaka kuvuga nta kindi iyo nta mafaranga hari,
they will abandon the man.
Bazaguta wowe umugabo.
Women love on the condition that a man will protect and provide for them.
Abagore bajya mu rukundo kubw'icyo uzamumenyera cyangwa se icyo uzamuha mu gihe mukundanye. Suka bagukunze ahubwo abafite target runaka ituma mugumana.
He cannot.
Dero mu gihe umugabo atabashije kubikora,
they will abandon him.
Bahita baguta nta kindi. Nakubwiye aracyari Sankara da Premier wumva. Niba yuko na follow na like.